Configuring a G5 GOES transmitter on the FTS Axiom data logger. This presentation shows how to configure a G5 GOES transmitter. A G5 can be installed internally, which is most usual, or connected via the external telemetry connector on the data logger front panel. In either case, the transmitter needs to be configured in the data logger. From the home screen, tap Telemetry. The telemetry screen appears, showing a summary of the telemetry devices connected to the data logger. Tap the status button beside the G5 information. The Telemetry A G5 status screen appears, showing more detailed information about the G5. Tap Setup. The Telemetry A G5 setup screen appears. To configure the G5, tap Edit. In edit mode, enter or select values for the controls indicated by the colored boxes here. You will need to obtain in advance the GOES satellite parameter NES ID, east-west satellite assignment, and the channel and window parameters. You will also need to know your transmission schedule, how often, called interval, and when within that interval, called first TX. Check the boxes for enable transmission and self-timed. Bitrate is usually 300. When you have entered all the configuration values, tap OK to save them. The non-editable Telemetry A G5 setup screen reappears. Next, tap Set Message. The Telemetry A G5 WSC message screen appears. It shows all currently configured message variables, in this case none, and a new button. Tap New WSC var. The Telemetry A G5 WSC message setup screen appears. For detailed information on selecting values for a message variable, see the H2 data logger manual and the appropriate application notes for your particular application. When you have entered the appropriate information, tap OK. The Telemetry A G5 WSC message screen appears. Each configured variable is shown with a labeled square. A configured variable can be modified by tapping on its square. To select the order of variables within the message, tap Order. The Telemetry A G5 WSC order screen appears. It shows all configured variables in the order they will be placed in transmitted messages. To change the ordering shown, tap Edit. In edit mode, to change the position of a variable in the message, select the variable from the list and tap the up or down buttons to move it. When you have established the desired order of variables in the message, tap OK. The Telemetry A G5 WSC message screen reappears. To close it, tap Home.